Okay, morning, afternoon, YouTube. Okay, let's see. Right, so 4 hour previously, like I mentioned, sorry YouTube, closed as a doji, not much information there, and then the 1 hour is also closing bullish, so definitely we'll wait for stronger confirmations above 135,600 and below 135,300, right? So let's check out news. Yeah, Satsu every day, even the guys know. Come on. Right, so news, let's see, 5:45 now. So in about 3 hours, we have some US news. Yeah, quite a bit of US news. And then during the New York Stock Exchange Open, we have some high impact UK news. So let's see. Yeah, they're both saying the same thing today. Righty. Let me have a quick look at GU first. So, ooh, GU broke. Okay, so the 4 hour candle on GU closed bearish through this 1 hour zone that I had at 1283. Then this 1 hour pin to that area. So right now we'll be waiting for new resistance to form for us to take it down. So GU might form before GJ. So I'll be watching it. So right now if we look at the 30, this looks like something. But I will wait for probably half an hour to see whether this one wants to go down, because this could just be the 4 hour pullback as well. Okay, let's have a look at Taki's chart. I am in sell. What is your idea? 135.57. 135.57. Ooh, took it here off the top of the range. Stop loss above 600, I suppose. Okay. I think right now, I don't know how you managed your trade, but if it goes above the previous wick, right, you might want to reduce half. I would have the stop loss. Yeah, you might almost get hit. Oh yeah, then I think you might get hit though, because on the hour close, on the 4 hour close, right, usually the pullbacks are quite deep, so just watch out for it, Takis. Oh, sorry, was a bit late on that. Yeah, just be careful of the, so when you're taking entries at the 4 hour close, right, see what it does on the 4 hour close and then see what the 1 hour is saying. If it's opposing, like this one was opposing, the 4 hour close is a bearish doji, but this one closed bullish, right? So then you want to be careful going short, because the pullback can be quite nasty. Yeah, it's alright, you can get in again later. Let's have a look, Alex. Oops. Support formed below before London open. Okay. No trade range, but candles are messy. Yep. Can execute a sell if break into this zone 135 to 70. Yep, same level as me. And 600, I believe. Yeah, I think we're looking at the same things. We just don't want to be caught inside this gross range here. Don't trade within this area. Nice, nice, Alex. Let's see how trick. Oops. Buy, see if 30-minute candle closes above 135. Yeah, everyone's looking at the same thing. Yes, you see the clean candles as well, Drake. Yeah, we are all seeing it. That's good. I like this TP here. 136, that's a good number. Oh, you're in. Okay. 575. Oh, are you in a trade now, Eldrick? On this week? Oh, just give me a shock. I thought you were in. There was no entry signal. I thought you were in. I wonder if today we'll have the same crazy 1-minute move. Nah, I don't think so. Cause yesterday's news was Bailey speaking, right? Bailey tends to have very high influence, but inflation, I think the numbers should show already. Yeah, but either way, it's better to avoid. Where is... Okay, so someone had a question regarding impulse entries and when or how you should be taking them, right? So for me personally, I don't take them, right? But I understand how Raja takes them. It's risky for sure. So in this example here, right, like, so for example, if we wanted to take longs from this 4-hour zone at 135 300, and then you were looking at the 15, for example, on this trade, your impulse entry, right, would have to be when this current candle actually breaks above the previous candle's high over here. So you are not waiting for closes, you are just entering based on the candle breaking the high. Yeah, so someone asked me, so I'm just explaining it, Aman. If you have questions, you can ask about it. So my understanding of the impulse entry is, I'll have a look at Raja's post in a bit. You don't need to wait for, you don't need to wait for this candle to close. You just take it when it breaks the previous candle's high. But why would you take it on the break of the wick high and not on the body? Because on impulse entries, you don't even have a confirmation of the close, right? So your next confirmation would only be if the price has enough bullish momentum to break the high. Yeah, so that would be an impulse entry. That's why Raja always says it is risky, because if you look at this entry alone, right, if you entered this entry, if you entered here above this high here, look at the next candle, you would definitely cut half of your trade out. because there was no confirmations. Versus if you waited for confirmations for this candle to close, then let this wick come down first and test this zone again, and then you can take it when it crosses the body here. When it crosses back above the body. Yeah. So that is the difference between an impulse entry and a normal entry with closes. So hopefully that clears things up. I would really suggest people who are not very familiar with impulse entries, you don't know where to put your stops, don't even know whether to take it at the bodies or the wicks, right? Then just don't take it. Just wait for solid confirmations. Honestly, the position size is not very much different. If you look here, right, your stop loss would still be the same below the wick low, this one here. And then if you look at the entry, this is, okay, maybe not this, I'll use the ruler. So if you entered here on the wick high versus if you entered the body, right, you would still be able to capture the move for 8 pips as well on the next candle. See, this move even nicer, pain free for 15. So yeah, just wait. Yeah. Who is TL on Discord? Because the names they aren't the same, so whoever is TL, I hope I answered the question. Proti, is it you? Are you TL? Ah, okay, got it, yeah. So I hope that helped. Curious Jones, which part do you need me to explain again? Because I need to know what you don't know. So let's... Oh, okay. My bad. No worries. Let me see what Raja wrote on his Instagram. Haven't managed to look at it. Show the ask line to see the spread. Mr. Robot, I don't use this to enter. This is not even my broker, so the spread is here. If you want to see when the spread is 2.7, but I'm using Pepperstone. My spread is for GJ now is around 1 pip. Yeah, so it's a bit different. One pip excluding commission. Yes, my commission is 350 per lot. Per buy and per sell, so it's 7 total. But I think that's standard across the board. Raja's entry yesterday wasn't really an impulse entry. He waited for support to form on this one. Some of you were asking me as well. Yes, 7 buy and sell. No, 7. Because yeah, it's both ways, right? How much is yours? Buy and sell total? Ah, okay. Then they squeezed it down. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. I think once you have like you've shown some trading history, right? They usually are able to do something about it. Wow, his is like 1 pip without commission. Oh, that's really dirt cheap. Is it regulated? Rakuten. Rakuten sounds familiar. It sounds like a food chain. Oh damn, see now I sound stupid. I said it was a food chain. Rakuten. Ah, okay. Then they're probably... That's really cheap though. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, true. It's the Amazon of Japan. Oh, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, I was close enough. I know there's some big giant there. Let's see. Thoughts on gold. I don't trade gold. Lex. If you want, I can have a look at your chart, but I don't trade gold. Gavin, I don't trade dollar CAD as well. Would you like to send your chart, please? So I pay both spread and commission. Yes, I'm using Pepperstone's ECN account, so they call their account the Razor account. So yeah, they have two, Razor Raw Spread and the standard. So I chose the Razor. This is mine. So yeah, you can go. They have two types here. Go check it out if you want. You are looking to change brokers, but there are a lot of choices. Oh, Rakuten can do that is because they are the largest brokerage firm in Japan, so they have lots of liquidity for yen pairs. Oh, that's interesting. I might check them out. How's the service? And do they have MT5? I think you use C-Trader, right, Ryu? Akmal, GJ needs to move above. Yeah, don't take it inside, you get chopped. This is nasty. Nasty. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Yep. That's why it's stuck. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Hello, Shiyaksky. Yeah, some people have said that IC spread is sometimes smaller. Yeah, but it's not. My trading size is not that big. I'm just lazy to switch brokers. Unless my account size becomes bigger, then maybe I'll consider. But then I think I probably can discuss the spreads with my account manager. What's the difference between order blocks and support resistance? I don't think it's exactly the same, right? But yeah, I think the differences are minor. Yeah. I think it's better to use them hand in hand. More confluences is always better. Yeah, it's like using supply and demand with support and resistance. Same thing. Yeah, like for me, I don't 100% understand all the blocks, but I understand supply and demand and support resistance, so I just stick with that. Yeah, don't overcomplicate trading. It's supposed to be easy. Yeah, price compressing, forming low highs, low high lows. Okay, we test around this area for sales. Yeah, Yeah, Rob, I think we're all waiting for the same areas I have it. Yeah, I think those that are new to it, just don't use it unless you have enough backtesting done on it. Just stick to support and resistance. Yeah. Overcomplicate it. Yeah. Yeah. GU, some of you guys are looking at it. Technically, the entry should have been here, right? On this new resistance that formed. So I don't think this is an entry actually. This is a bit late. Shoots Tony. Let's see. If I miss a chart, just please send it again because sometimes the chat moves so fast. Yeah. Close halfway and reach my first target. Is GJ on the 1 hour. Sell below close of previous day close. 7. Oh, okay. You're not in yet, right? 760. 135, 760. Oh, somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, Tony, I don't know about the cells there though. Like, I think if you were to take cells, it needs to be around 136 with cell confirmations. Like 135, like 800, right? 780, yeah. 135, 760 is kind of in the middle of this range that I have. A bit dangerous if you ask me. I think you're trying to come off this support here, but it's broken by these two big candles. I suggest 20, yes. Let's all move with EU with 20 lots. Come on, let's go. The guys who were here last night get it. Yeah, there was someone that came into the stream yesterday. I have EU 20 lots. What is trend? Like spam 3 times. Okay. And then he went silent. Break of 135 for invalidate bullish 1 hour move since last week. Yeah, this is a swing idea. Yeah. Ethan, he's not here today, probably have to pawn his house. Shag. Let's see. I am in GU cell. Okay. 279. Oh, did you catch it at the bottom, Aslan? Oh, looking for. Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at gold. Yeah. Oh, 4 hours. Okay. lex, is this support formed from a lower time frame? Like, I see the divergence that you're trying to trade, if that's what you're trading. Yeah. But where's this zone from? Trading pairs or futures time frame. These are the pairs I trade. Don't trade futures. Time frame to execute 31 hour. Very seldom the 4 hour. Oh, fib area 50 to 61.8. This box on the lower time frame, it's a fib area. Okay. This is the 200 EMA. Okay. I mean, if this is some kind of fib area, I would be careful as I approach the 200 EMA. That's all. Yeah, because now your take profit's kind of above the 200, right? Because you're expecting the 200 EMA to act as some kind of dynamic support or resistance. In this case, it might be resistance. So as you approach it, just be careful. Samuel, I cannot see your links. Need to send the chart. Cannot see. Yeah, no trade, no trade. So I set an alarm like somewhere here. And in case I miss it. It's the 15 created, broke out of trend line. Okay, created mini resistance, created new support. 135, yeah, we all have cells below 135,300 and 135. Yep, exactly the same. It's good that we're all seeing the same things. Yay. Yeah, me too. It's a lot of US news, like in and out of the market, so just be careful later during Raja's stream. It might though, I've seen it. Like it might just chop sideways while waiting for the news to come out. Yeah, that's the weird thing. Gold just broke support. This is the 15. What's up? This one here, the red line. Where's the support? Let's see. Structurally, gold looks like it might be able to come down to this area at least. 178,700, because it should be able to clear the wicks, right? By right. Yeah, but again, I just read structure. I do not trade gold, so take my advice with a pinch of salt. That's why I don't really call trades on gold. GU created minus support, yes. So that's why this entry earlier, it was just late to me, so I didn't really want to take it. Plus, yeah, John, you're right. There's some kind of minor support here on the 30. So I would be careful of that going short. You are right. Let's have a look at EJ. EJ came right to the previous daily highs. The daily resistance, sorry. This area on EJ might see a reaction, so it's a big area between 123, 200 to 500, so it's a big area where EJ might see some reaction because it was previous support that became resistance, so just be careful of this area, anyone trading EJ. Ooh, many new guys today. People that are new to the stream, these are the only pairs that I trade except for gold. So if you are looking at other stuff that I don't look at, please send a chart because I do not look at them often enough. So I need to see what you're seeing, then I'll give comments. Where can you send chat? On the YouTube description there's instructions. Just click on the camera, copy the last part of the link in the box. The last part only. Yeah, so Nasmi, see how Como Rebi is sending his charts. Just copy only the last part and then I'll get it. Yeah. Ooh, waiting for gold to pull back to take a sell in this area. Why here? Why not here? Oh, where's my box? Why not here? The wicks. Yeah. Because if, okay, I don't know what this purple EMA is, but there's a lot of confluence at this area, to me at least. Like, you have your EMA as confluences, this wicks as previous support, which should become resistance. So I think the box, maybe. Right, this is a bit deeper. That's based on your chart. Yep. Welcome, welcome to the new people. Golden ratio on Fib. Okay, but if you okay, so before the okay, sorry, my face was in the way. If you have the golden ratio, right? Sure, it tends to come most of the time, but if you look at it, if this is such a strong bearish momentum, so to speak, right? Technically, it should make a shallower retracement to come down, correct? So this 38 Fib is also in line with all those areas. So ideally, if you look for shorts, you want as shallow a retracement as possible. That's my 2 cents and what I understand. Yeah. Oh, am I too loud? Okay. It doesn't seem like the rest of them have any issues. If I'm too loud, let me know. I thought there was a volume button on everyone's speaker. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Talk a bit louder. Oh my god. Oh, my fan is blowing. Okay, sorry. Yeah, let me know, okay, because I'm trying to block the wind, but I know sometimes if it blows inside, please let me know because I can't hear it. Okay. Yeah, info is okay. It's okay, it's okay. Chill, chill, chill. Sometimes tones get misread, it's fine. It's just if the fan gets in the way, let me know because I really cannot hear it. My island wind is blowing. Yeah. Nah, no fighting here. Peace. It's a peaceful stream. Yeah. So for the new people, right, I do not turn on music. You can play your own because I don't talk as much as Raja. I only talk when it's needed. So just yeah, play your own music, right? Just FYI. One 883. No awkward silence, Mr. Elwin. There's just nothing on the charts now because GJ and GU are stuck in this range. So let's just chill for a bit. It's really nothing now because GU needs to break below this minor support before we can take a trade. I wonder what's my opinion on his stream music. I don't hear it, so I cannot comment. Let's see, Alex. break and retest, take a sell. What price is this? 123,500 EJ. Yeah. So there's this area here, right? So if I just delete this gray box and then I look at the 30, if we look left, currently EJ is having some kind of problems with this minor support here to the left. So yes, I will wait for it to break lower before I take entries. You are right. Thank you, Odette. You are very kind. My stream is small, so you guys can ask whatever questions you want. Most of the time I manage to get through to them. But if there are pairs that I don't trade right now, I need a chart because I don't look at them enough. Hey Andrew, afternoon. Is this type of analysis you use here good for higher time frames, 1 hour or 4 hour, or is it working only for scalping? No, Monica, it works for, it's transferable. It's just that if you go up to the higher time frames, then you need to wait you need to wait a bit longer for your resistance and support to form. That's all. But it's the same way. How many pips in profit did you set your magic keys at? You mean partial TP? Oh, pips in profit. I don't know, it's 10, but I never stick to 10. For break even, Victor, it really depends. Because it depends on the trade setup that I take. Yeah. What do I think for gold? Let's see. Yeah, what was that? Yeah, what was that? Oh, yeah, I don't understand. Okay, tell me if it's something not right. Let me know. Boop. Yeah, they get the boop. 50 if price closes below the zone. What's this? 884. I have this area. So like GJ, sorry, not GJ. Gold is coming to a bit of resistance on the left here as well. So these are all where some of the wicks stop. I don't know if I would take a shot here because then you would come into this area here as well. 187,700. So just be careful. Monty's not back, right? Yeah. Yeah. I think he and I are fairly similar, I think. Yeah. Not exactly 100% the same, but I think we try to go for swings also. Yeah. On the 15 time frame, we're gradually getting higher highs. Cornelis, on the go or on GJ? GJ, I think. Yeah, yeah, I see it. That's why I set my alarm, so when it rings, then I'll pop back in to see. I cannot see the chart if you sent it because I cannot see links. Scale down. Ooh, there we go. Scale down on what, David? Oh, it's going back in to that range. Look at GU, is going back in. I think GJ also. So GU and GJ are going back into that consolidation range. Same thing for GU. I would wait for this break and close and then new resistance before continuing to this area on GU. But only after new resistance. Is it me or just the live chart currency strength not working? Yeah, Alex, that thing has mood swings, so be careful if you're using it for entries. It's not legit. Is Magic Keys worth the buy, or would a simple trade manager for MT4 suffice? I think you can test it. There are some links here on my Discord, link in the YouTube description if you guys want to test it out. There are a few here. Yeah, so AJ uses this. It's chargeable. Google it. If not, this one you can go and test it out. It's free. Yeah, there are a bunch here under trading resources. Do you ever cut 50% of a trade if it goes in profits and comes back to entries? And if so, how many pips would it take for you to do this? Oh, Javan, it really depends on the setup. I cannot tell you 100%. I don't have a fixed number because if you see me trade long enough, you'll know that I don't cut my trades. I don't secure any at 10 pips. So it's a bit different. Yeah, A-Rod, let's see. Oh, wrong chart. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, these wicks here are nasty. So close. Yeah. Yep. When I hit stop loss. Oopsie. It bounced. Yeah, Victor, it really depends on your trade management. Don't follow my numbers. Because it would really depend on your own trade management. Oh, stop loss at entry. Okay, I put 1. Okay, I get it. I put 1. Yeah, to cover commission. You are right. Oh, the cashback thing. Oh shoots. This thing on my profile. Oh. Yeah, so yeah, it works. So it's this thing. If you click on this one, right, the link is the same. So basically what they do is out of the commissions that you pay, right, they just pay a certain amount back. So you can choose for it to go back into your account. So for example, like I'm using Pepperstone, right? So I'm using the Edge Razor account. So this is the commission that I get back from everything that I paid. It does not affect your spread or your commissions currently. Yeah, Literally just that. Then I chose the direct to broker account daily, so they cash it back into my MT5 daily at the end of the New York close. Yep. If they are not on, then you can just email them and ask them whether they have a hookup. If they don't, then what's yours? Oh, that's really long. Trading technologies. DTT. Oh, maybe not. Yeah. Yeah, Andrew, that's more free money. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing, right? Yeah, so on, if you guys want to see, it's on this one. Like, I took a screenshot last time, so yeah. Oh, yeah, then get double then. Oh. Yeah. I can cash. Oh, yes, it does. I can cash back for those. Alex, no. It's only once the cashback is approved. Nothing before. Can anyone give me a quick rundown on what we're talking about? Nothing. We're waiting for... Yeah, we're talking about cashback from commissions now. Yeah, so if you want, this is the link. Thank you. Check it out. This is the one. If not, then if you want a video, it's on my Instagram under the cashback highlights. Yeah. So, and we're just waiting for GJ to close above. So, and GU is going back in as well. Oh, okay, David. I was talking to a girl asking about scaling. Okay. And you check trading subliminal. What's that? GJ is buy if it closes above 135,600. Yep, that's why we wait for support so we can have a tighter stop loss. If it closes above, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but at least they're all bullish. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Do you take 10 pips only, BP? Or do you go for more? Yeah. 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 I think if you're... Oh, yes. Definitely depends on the day. I think if you're worried about this consolidation previously, I would be too, seeing how it consolidated for technically 3 days, right? Just size down. Because if GJ does a 1 hour closure above 135,600, right, and you are only grabbing 10, by right, it should not really be a problem for GJ because this is the nearest previous support that was made, right? So you shouldn't really have a problem. But if you're still worried about this consolidation, which you have every right to be, then just size down. It's better than not being in the trade and then watching it go, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, correct. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. But the thing is, okay, so that point being valid, right? But at the same time, why is GJ still respecting 135,600 so many times when it was a previous 4-hour zone from here? You get what I mean? So this area also broke. So that's why this is, yeah. If it's me, personally, I will go smaller. Because, yeah, there's some issue here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shoots. Yeah, don't do it. Oh no, I sounded like I've been talking to myself on YouTube. I think it should work now. Hey, AJ, say something.
Hello, hello.
Okay, thank you. It works now. Just now I was just talking to myself.
If you go and check the daily, we went below previous daily candle, and that didn't happen till 22 of September.
Yeah, correct. Okay,
It's
hang
gonna
on.
be the same.
We gotta be wary too of the monthly close as well. Today's the last day of the
today's the
month,
last
right?
day. Yeah. Ooh, big bearish candle.
Yeah.
Pinned right to the previous monthly support as well. Here.
Yeah, it could retrace also. I mean, the monthly
Yeah.
candle could retrace as it's coming to the close.
Yeah. Yeah, the hourly closed bullish above the zone, so right now we just wait. Yeah, we wait for the new support to form. So based on the hourly chart, based on the 30-minute chart, we should be able to clear at least safely till what I'm seeing is the most recent area here. At
That's
least.
a good, what, 15 pips?
This is, let's see. Yeah.
20,
17,
right?
18.
80.
Yeah.
60 to 80 more or less.
Yep.
Yeah, but you just gotta wait for support though, because like it can just fake out.
Because if it fakes out, then and you enter now as an impulse entry, then oh, God bless.
And it did close below. It did close below. It closed above, right? So
yeah.
I'm thinking like, I don't know, impulse entry. What do you think? If it flips,
I don't trust the impulse.
Yeah, man, I personally hate
it's counter trend. It's because counter trend.
Yes. Plus the thing is, this big bullish candle didn't even break the previous highs.
Break the wicks.
Yeah, all these wicks are going lower and lower, so it's not giving me confidence, man. Yeah, so impulse entries here would be very, very risky. Yes, very. Let's have a look at some charts. Gold on the daily. Arod, you looking to take longs? I need some words.
Yeah, it doesn't look like anything.
Yeah, I need some words. Tell me your story on the charts like this. Where can the possible PE entry help? Help. Sriram, what are you looking for?
Yeah, this shit just went back down. GJ. Oh, yeah. GJ, you're funny.
Yeah. Help. Yeah, John, thank you. Yeah, I need something. There's nothing in it. I can't read your mind. Help. Let's see. It wasn't a fake out, it's a retest. Well, it's only 3 minutes into the hourly candle close, so let's wait. No entry anyway. I think GJ is making its way up as long as we respect 510. Is 510 this? Why 510?
I remember he's looking at it as a resistance and then broke above to come back to retest it. I don't know.
This area here.
Maybe he's seeing that as a resistance. Yeah. For it to come back to retest.
Yeah, it's a minor resistance. So yes, if it holds, form support maybe. And bam.
Yeah, what is that, 30 minute?
Yes, this is the 30. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good time frame. Yeah, but still, like, you need to look at the higher time frames.
It's just clean on the 1 hour. It's wick fill candle. I wait for the high to be broken. Yeah, preferably. Honestly, way cleaner buys would be above all this wicks. That would be the best.
I'm looking at those wicks. I was looking at them. I was like, yeah. Could see those wicks and be like, nope, U-turn.
Yeah. So GU probably did the same thing. Yeah, there we go.
So GJ and GU pretty much move the same, man.
Yeah, that's why. But tonight, I think GU will be slightly more choppy because there's a bunch of US news coming up. Okay, be right back. Oh, sorry, Elwin. The scaling fish was me. I was trying to plug in my headphones. My bad. Yeah. Looks like GJ just faked out. What music do I listen to? Nothing on the stream. So a fake out is when there's no continuation of a move up. So that's why we didn't take any impulse entries here, Marvin. Didn't it have news? I think today's biggest news during Asia was the presidential debate and the Chinese PMI news. Is it idea to take a sell if candle close small body bearish? Ooh, dangerous. If it's a 30-minute Alex, I think at least the candle needs to close below this minor resistance. Then you would consider the shorts. Yeah. Yeah, but this area is, Anthony is right, it's just dirty. This is the time. Yeah, Alex, you had this range as no trade range, right? Yeah. We can wait. This area down, right? Below 135, 300 is so much cleaner. Because we have this whole area here till 134, 900, about 40 plus pips. Yeah. Would you say a safer buy would be above 135, 78 to avoid the wicks? Yes, you are right. Yeah, patience. Technically, I don't really need it to close above the zone because technically it hasn't closed yet, right? Like this was a close above. So that was number one, what I needed first. Now I'm just waiting to see. Preferably, I would preferably I would want a 30-minute close of new support, not a 15 in this case, because I don't want to run into problems with the wicks. Yeah, so I don't think I would take an entry even if the 15 gives me support. Cause yeah. Yeah. Ideally 300 is my move until GJ shows me something. Yeah. I would prefer to be above. I need new support above this area. John, honestly, I think if you are fine in the YouTube chat, right, and you don't really need you don't really want like a lot more closer attention, then you might not need the Zoom. So some of the guys, they just want like to have close, so I prioritize the Zoom people, right? So if they need my attention, they want me to do some analysis and some other stuff that they need during the stream, I prioritize them. They can ask me anything they want. Basically, it's mentoring during the stream. It's not a must. I just input the paywall because some people requested it as well. Yes, Marvin, that's a Zoom chat. How many pips breakout and close is strong? It's not about the pip count, it's how the candle closes. So this honestly is not the best close, this bullish candle here. $20 pip break and close will not give a retest. Depends. Sometimes the retest might come in the form of a wick. Yeah, John. Okay, so for everyone that has been asking about the one-on-one mentorships, right? I have 2 slots open. I will be opening up to the Zoom people first. If you guys want anything, I'll put in an announcement later. If not, then I'll open it up to Instagram at the end of the week on Sunday. Hey, morning. This one here? Yeah, I'm not considering it yet. So now this candle, right? I need it to close. I need another candle to close and give me new support on the 30-minute before I take longs. Because right now the stop is just too big and it's not worth the trade. Right? Because your stop would have to be below this area, correct? Yeah, so it's not worth it. So I'm just waiting for another candle on the 30 to form bullish. Then my support would be confirmed. Yeah, not the 15. I'm not waiting for a 15 because I feel like if I wait for a 15-minute support here, right? So if this current 15 candle closes bullish, I feel like I could run into problems at this wicks and this area here. Yeah, because if you look on the 15, this is where GJ is stopping here. Yeah, so that's why 15 is not enough for me in this scenario. And impulse entries is not good as well. Not here, definitely not here. Yeah. No worries. Good question. Why that green wasn't a good close? Monica, if we look at the 30, right? So you see the wicks here. It's lower and lower. So that's why I think it wasn't a good close. Two slots is 2 people, yes. Could you explain why did you choose 135 600 as the 4-hour resistance? I had mine at 700. Oh, okay. I think it's probably similar areas. So I went on the 4 hour. I got this zone, right? It was an old zone from all these wicks on the left here. So yes, it broke going up and coming down and again here. But I think 700 is because you have yours somewhere at the bodies, right? But I just put it at this area. But I believe this whole area here on the 4 hour is just problematic. So you are not wrong either. How do I have the chance to get the mentorship? Alex, yeah, I think you're on my IG, right, Alex? It will be posted on my Instagram because I need to give priority to the Zoom people first. To be fair, yeah, I'll post stuff on Instagram for the rest on Sunday. For the Zoom people, I'll probably do it by the end of tonight. Let's have a look at EJ. EJ looks like range to me now. Because this 30-minute candle earlier closed with a baby top wick. So the chances of it pushing up here is lower now. So if you're in longs, just be careful. Is it advisable to take this trade with impulse entry? Gaian short? Honestly, no. I would wait for this 30. If you want to go short, right, I would want this current 30-minute candle to close below this minor resistance over here. Right, so impulse entries, honestly, they are not the greatest, guys. You really can wait for support to form. You have space. Yeah. Yeah, no thank you. We wait for new support. Yeah. That's why I'm waiting for 30 minutes. If it goes, then oh wells. Because some people might take this as a rejection, right? To this support here on the 30. Here. Like this support here. Yep. Yep. Yeah. 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 Because so if anyone wants to take impulse entries off the top of this wick, just know that this is dangerous because the top wicks on all these 30-minute candles are tiny. So I don't trust them. Yes, and it's not even worth it. Yeah, look, your RR sucks, man. It's negative. If you go to this area, your risk reward is like, what's this? Huh, it's negative. It's not even 1. Because this would be the first area of problems that you'll come into, right? Yeah, so it's not worth the trade. I would rather wait. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely look at that as rejection. Just don't like the big stops. It's doo-doo. Yeah, it's doo-doo. Do you trade retest most of the time? Yes, A-Rod. Can I buy GU at the level of 128,346? I think GU is doing the same thing as GJ. So I would 286. Oh, that's very high.
GU, in my opinion, looks
283.
worse.
Yeah, GU is worse. You are right. Because
You got this area.
yes. Yeah. Then you have this area. And then you have this area. Yeah, GU is worse. Yeah. Take GJ. Could you take on retrace if close above to increase risk reward? Robert, yes. I will wait for new support to form here. So if it forms here, right, most likely your new, like your stop loss would be somewhere below this zone anyway. So it's definitely a lot smaller.
Yep, that's what I'm waiting for.
Yep. What are your thoughts about it being the last day of the month? It might be slower, so just be careful. And there's also news today. A few US news during Raja's session. And then I think this might be in my session. So we have some pound news as well. Can you take a look at the 5-minute? Where is the zone? There are a lot of zones on the 5-minute. Nasmi, no, I cannot see the links. So, okay, you need to click the camera on the top right and then copy and paste the last part. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so look, the 15 minutes forming support now, which it would, right? Because the 30 closed bullish. And it's pushing. So if anyone wants to take the 15-minute support on the close, your stop loss would be below. Just know that it's risky. Because I have this, I see this whole area here being problematic for GJ. So I'm not taking this on the close. Can I buy at
30 minutes just closed.
Yep. Look at where the wick stopped, man. Right to the zone. It just stopped.
Yeah, so I would say closes above that
Yep.
660.
Yes.
660 area. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, well, yeah, above that area.
Yeah. Yeah, so Ray Daddy, it's tough if you want to take it 346 here because honestly the trade didn't, like GU didn't even form support. So there's nothing solid for you to go off. You just might be a bit of a FOMO trade if you ask me. Just wait for some thing to form around this area here. Then you go up. Because GU is very dirty on the left. You have this problem, this problem, this problem. Many problem. So don't. Don't take it. Wait for confirmation. I don't trust the 15 anymore. Yeah. I think for those that are worried that it's the last day of the month, lower volatility and blah blah blah, just as long as you take stronger confirmations on the 30, don't take impulse entries, you should be fine. Just there might be fewer setups today, but it's better than losing money, right? Yeah, so this is a classic example. No top wick. So some of you were also asking me. No top wick. Then we always see. Most of the times. If you don't believe me, go back test it. It really doesn't push further. No wick, no range. Yes, Andrew. Totally right. Baby wick. Problem range. Let's have a look, Nasmi. Oh, yay. Congratulations, you sent the chart. Previous 1 hour resistance. Broken retracement here, then possible sell. Yes. Based on your chart. Yes.
GJ's going.
Yep. There was a 15-minute support. But risky. If it breaks, so this is like Raja's trade yesterday, right? So if it breaks this wick,
take it up.
Yeah, it will go up. Yeah. So if it breaks this wick, bye bye, we're going up. So yes. So we need to clear. Now we are trying to clear this wick. Next one is this one.
Yeah, this is the problem area.
Yeah.
Roger's running late. He's probably looking at the trade.
I won't be surprised if he's in.
Oh yeah, he just sent the link.
Oh, he sent the link?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'll see everybody on part 2 after his stream. Right. See you everybody.